Introducing the Level 2 Food Safety and Hygiene course from Verner Wheelock. A one-day, in-house course, providing a broad understanding of food safety principles. The course is ideal for all food handlers employed in the food industry. Developed by industry professionals, the course leads to the RSPH Level 2 Award in Food Safety for Food Manufacturing. It focuses on the importance of food hygiene, food safety hazards, good hygiene practice and controls. The training is split into 5 sections, and in Section 1 you'll learn about the individual responsibility within food safety procedures. In Section 2 we cover food handlers' cleanliness and hygiene. Section 3 covers keeping work areas clean and hygienic. In Section 4, we look at how to receive and store food safely. And finally in Section 5, how to prepare, cook, hold and serve food safely. At the end of the course there is a 45-minute multiple-choice examination, with successful participants awarded with the RSPH Level 2 Award in Food Safety for Food Manufacturing Certificate. The course is taken in-house, at your premises. There is also an option to take the course online. The RSPH Level 2 Award in Food Safety for Food Manufacturing course from Verner Wheelock. Expand your food safety knowledge and further your food industry career. Enroll today.